I need a new waste basket. Now the average person would just go out and buy a new one, like this. But I'm not your average person.
I needed a new trash can, so I looked on my shelf, found an old gasoline can, and I fixed it myself. Cut off the top, made a clean little start, had a busted old vision and a good steady heart. 4 new straight legs, 6 inches tall, had to cut them down till they fit the hall. Grinding wheels, singing, trim the excess neat, then I lined it all up like a perfect beat. New old trash can, hey, hey, new old trash can, new old trash can. It stands on its own, drilled the holes and I set it in place. Now the whole garage knows what I made. 8 screws and nuts held the whole thing tight. 4 legs under metal looked just right. Now it's one of a kind with a story to tell. From a rusty old shelf to a thing that works well. Thrifters stop and stare, antique hunters grin. They can't help but want it when they see that tin. Simple as salvage, sharp as a find. I turned old into new with a stubborn mind. New old trash can, it stands on its own, drilled the holes and I set it in place. Now the whole garage knows what I made. Old gasoline can, new life in disguise. Little bit of metal, little bit of pride. Cut, drilled, mounted, made it all my own. Who knew a trash can could look like a throne? New old trash can, hey, hey, new old trash can, new old trash can. It stands on its own, one of a kind, and I'll say it again, all the thrifters want it, but this one's mine to keep.
Hello, hello. Well, the simple project is finished. I think it came out looking like garbage. But then that's exactly what I was going for. I did a little extra work to get these legs to fit. I like the look of these. If you're doing this project, you might want to find legs that fit so you don't have to do so much work to get them to fit on the bottom of your can. I even thought about trying to figure out a way to use the lid that I cut off. And the only thing I came up with is perhaps mounting it on the front and then using this as a handle to dump the garbage. I may or may not do that. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Tom, this is Allie Picked, and this is today's quick project.